Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Vikash Chandra Pidiredla. Let's do your reading for the month of February 2021 for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs for the sign of Capricorn. And this time I'm going to use a new deck, guys. This is called the Thoth deck by Aleister Crowley. And I'm going to use a new method called the Golden Dawn Spread. So it consists of 15 cards and I'll guide you along with it. So now the first 3 cards I'm dealing right now is your situation. I'm moving on to your current path, now alternate path, your psychological basis and your karma. So this is a cycle that I'll be repeating. So now I've drawn the cards. Let's do the face up and see what cards we have. So guys, now the face up is done. Let's get into your reading and see what messages you actually have. So the first 3 cards which you're seeing right now is your situation. The top 3 cards in the right hand side corner, you have your current path, meaning what you're intending to go, where you're intending to go, what are the choices and decisions you're trying to make that is leading to your manifestation. At the left hand side corner, at the top corner, you have your alternate path, meaning what you can alternately take with respect to your current path. In the bottom left corner, you have your psychological basis, what is actually running in the background. Okay. In the right bottom corner, you have your karma. So this is the lessons and the experiences you will receive from the universe. That is your karma. So you cannot untie this. You have to go through it. Okay. Let's get into your reading, guys. Let's start with the situation. You have Sun. In fact, you have 3 major arcanas. Starting with the Sun. From the first day, you will have this happiness. Okay, you don't know where it is coming from, you don't know why you are happy, but you are happy. This is what is happening, Capricorn. You don't know why you are happy. Suddenly you feel like this, you have this childish nature. You can see there is two kids, you can say, two babies or two kids. So they don't care about anything. They want to experience nature. They want to enjoy nature. They want to enjoy life. They are very happy. Okay, you might be connecting a lot with children's. Okay, let me know in the comments down below your current situation. In February, you'll be dealing with a lot of children's or a lot of kids. You can say a lot of kids. This can bring you happiness. This can bring you a lot of connections. You can make connections with people, especially small children, small kids. So this is interesting. It is bringing you happiness, and even they are happy to share happiness along with you. Lovers card. Okay, art. So you might teach them art, or you might teach them some kind of creative thing. Okay, so that's the situation here. 3 major arcas in a row. Major month February. It's amazing. Let's get into your current path. What you're intending to go, where you're intending to go. You have the Wheel of Fortune. So you're looking for blessings in this month. You're just noticing, okay, what I'm gonna be blessed with this month. You also want to travel with the Wheel of Fortune. There is wheel. You want to travel for places which will bring you a lot of happiness and a lot of money also for few people who are into business. That's the Wheel of Fortune. You got Worry, which is 5 of discs. So you might actually I feel like you are getting a hard time to make people come along with you for traveling. Either that they like other places, or that the place is far or difficult to travel. But you're facing quite difficulty in making other people to come along with you for the journey. So that's the Worry card. Okay, you have Peace. Okay, so you're actually peaceful. Even though if you don't travel with the people whom you want to, you're actually quite peaceful. Okay, you actually will enjoy life. Even though if you go to places which you don't like, you're quite peaceful. That's your current path. Lot of traveling. Definitely a lot of traveling. Okay, your alternate path, 3 of discs. Okay, now you might be, now this is what universe is telling. What is the alternate path which you can do? You are connecting with people now, but you connect with people where you can actually do the teamwork and work on something, work on a project, or work on something that can have a potential for a good future. Okay, which has a good foundation to it, and which can bring a lot of money for everyone. It is asking for shiftness as well. So try new things. Definitely try new things. Something that makes you quite fearful for trying, but that can actually open up new I was about to tell you creative, and you got Ace of Wands. New creative experiences in life. Okay, which is next, Ace of Wands for your alternate path, the last card. So this is what it's gonna be. Okay, you'll become more creative. You're gonna experience more creative things. So get out of your comfort zone. Okay, flow freely. Okay, but you're connecting with people, but make connections such that you create something. You can see this. This is the connections. This is the network circles, all these lines over here with all directions. Combined with all the connections, you can create this beautiful rainbow. So even this is also a connection, 3 of Pentacles. It is building a solid foundation, like the pyramid. Okay, have a solid foundation, do something creative and very bright like the rainbow, very colorful, and it can open up with the creative side of you, experiencing the creative side of nature. Let's look at your psychological basis. What is running in the background for you in the month of February? You have ruin. So I feel like this represents opportunities being not taken. Okay, I feel like you have opportunities to make good, create a good foundation where you can make a lot of money through other people. Okay, making connections, but you're actually ruining it. Quite, you're not actually taking that opportunity. Okay, but you're actually using it in a different way. Or you may not use it at all. You might be connecting with other people, like the kids I said. Okay, 7 of Wands. You got Whaler. I feel like opportunities will keep coming up. This is what I'm feeling. What is running in the background is you're actually not taking up the opportunities, good opportunities, but still opportunities will be presented to you with the Whaler card. Opportunities will be coming wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Suddenly you might receive good opportunities. Even while communicating with people or doing some task, especially some task, you will be guided with some alternative project or alternative things. So you will be guided. I feel like Princess of Wands. You can see this movement is there with the wands. So while you're doing some work, I feel like with the people whom you're working, or while you're working, you'll be guided to move in a different direction. So this is what is actually bringing you, or this is what is actually creating in the background. Okay, let's look at your karma. What is your karma? What are the lessons that you have to learn? These are the things that you cannot untie or change. Definitely you have to go through this. You have success. Right. Now, the reason why universe is bringing up opportunities over and over again, even though you don't feel like doing it, is your karma is to have this success. No matter what you're doing, no matter what you want, okay, you have to be successful at it. So the opportunities, what is coming, if you make use of it, you'll be successful. If not, also you'll be successful. This is the success card. Okay, but universe is making sure that opportunities are always there, so that if you really want it, you will be successful. You got virtue. Yeah, you can keep looking at it. You can keep looking. You are in the current path. You are in the right path, actually. Definitely, with the Wheel of Fortune, it connects with the 3 of Wands. You are looking for the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, it can be intertwined, karma, and because all is energy, everything is you. You are actually looking with the Wheel of Fortune. That's what you are actually doing with the current path, which is actually good. But I feel like making connections with people and making sure what you're doing with them, think twice or thrice, and plan ahead. Think about the long term. That's what I advise, or I suggest you. But this is your karma. You can just keep looking at it. You can keep waiting for new opportunities. It will always be presented to you. Yeah, you can start moving after receiving an opportunity. This is just looking for an opportunity. 3 of Wands. Okay, you can check out Rider Waite. You will see a better representation of waiting or looking. You got the Queen of Discs. You can see she has that ball in her, or yeah, kind of spear or ball in her hand. So this is the opportunity that you will take and move a long distance. You can see that is a long distance. You can see the road. She's traveling with the vehicle. She's taking all she needs and going away from that place. So your karma is, you can take up the opportunity and leave it. Okay, take up the opportunity and just go ahead. Don't be fearful. Have the belief that you can make it and go ahead. Strive and move ahead. Queen of Discs. It can bring a lot of money. Queen of Discs, because it's a material card. Discs, Pentacles. That's all I have for you, Capricorn. Beautiful reading. If you do like it, click the like button and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done or new to my channel. Click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload any video, and so that you can never miss any video. If you're having any problems or need guidance from me personally, you can check out this poster. I do tarot readings, astrological readings, life coaching and daily readings. My social media links are also mentioned. My contact details also is available there. And I want to thank you guys so much for the support, and thanks for watching. I love you guys so much. Thank you.